Mastering time management for TOEFL reading. Hey there! Are you gearing up for your TOEFL reading exam? You might have the best reading skills, but without effective time management, it can be challenging to score well. In today's video, we'll dive into some proven strategies to ensure you make the most of your time during the TOEFL reading section. Time is of the essence, and we're here to help you master it. The TOEFL reading section consists of 3 to 4 passages, each followed by 12 to 14 questions. You have a total of 54 to 72 minutes to complete this section. This means, on average, you have approximately 18 minutes per passage. It's crucial to understand this framework so you can allocate time efficiently. Before diving deep into the questions, take a moment, around 1 to 2 minutes, to skim the passage. This doesn't mean you need to understand every detail, but get a grasp of the main idea, the structure, and any unfamiliar terms. This will provide a roadmap for when you start answering the questions. Once you've skimmed the passage, start with questions you find easier or topics you recall from your skimming. This not only boosts your confidence but also ensures you're grabbing the easy marks first. Remember, every question carries equal marks, so there's no need to spend excessive time on a single challenging one. This might sound basic, but regularly checking the time can be a game changer. Set milestones for yourself, such as, I should be done with the first passage by X minutes. If you find yourself falling behind, it may be wise to move on to the next passage rather than get stuck and run out of time. Lastly, nothing beats regular practice. Familiarity reduces anxiety and improves speed. Before your test, ensure you've done multiple timed reading practices. Knowing your strengths and weaknesses can be your biggest asset on test day. There you have it. Effective time management isn't just about speed but also about strategy. Remember to stay calm, use these techniques, and practice often. We're confident you'll ace the TOEFL reading section with flying colors. Best of luck, and we hope this video has been valuable to your preparation journey.